Hello, 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 hello. Hey, hi everyone. Welcome to live stream. Hey, hi Sanskar. Welcome to live stream. Welcome to live stream. Hi everyone. Welcome to the YouTube channel Classes with me and welcome to live stream. So today we will cover, like yesterday we have already covered assignment number 8. Today we will cover assignment number 9, right? Assignment number 9, I think we have 3 questions. It's related to Windows function, or should we do any some other assignment like assignment number what we say 4 or 5? Can we do that? Because we also have to take care of sub queries and all. So if you want, we can do it assignment number sub queries where we have we can go for assignment number 7, right? Assignment number 7 have sub queries. Okay, so we can go with that. Assignment number 7 we can go for sub queries and CT assignment today. Okay, right? Let's go with that. Sorry, 7 not 4. Okay. So anybody have any doubt in the live stream? Hey, hi others, welcome to live stream. हाय आदर्श, वेलकम टू लाइव स्ट्रीम. सो वी हैव अ क्वेश्चन लाइक एक बात बताओ, जैसे हमारे पास 4 फाइल्स है. ओके वेट, लेट मी राइट इट. हमारे पास 4 फाइल्स है. ओके 4 फाइल्स है, उसका कंप्लीट डैशबोर्ड बनाना है. एक मिनट, हमारे पास 4 फाइल्स है. ओके डैशबोर्ड मतलब पावर BI बनाना है. एक्सेल को उसको कैसे करेंगे ऑटोमेशन वगैरह. देखो फर्स्ट थिंग फर्स्ट, जो भी फाइल्स हैं, फाइल्स को जब भी आप पावर BI में डालते हो ना, मेक श्योर करो उसका रिलेशनशिप प्रॉपर बनाओ, ठीक है। रिलेशनशिप मतलब स्टार स्कीमाज वगैरह, ठीक है। स्टार स्कीमाज या तो स्नोफ्लेक्स स्कीमाज, ठीक है। पहले रिलेशनशिप बनाओ। क्यों बोल रहा हूँ रिलेशनशिप बनाने? चारों फाइल्स क्या होंगे, एक रिलेशन में आ जाएंगे, ठीक है। चारों फाइल्स एक रिलेशन में आ जाएंगे, तो आने वाले डेट में कुछ भी आप डैक्स वगैरह बनाते हो तो वो ऑलरेडी डैशबोर्ड में वो इंटरकनेक्ट हो जाएगा, ठीक है। इंटरकनेक्ट हो जाएगा, राइट। मतलब आपको एनी हाउ कनेक्शन क्रिएट करना पड़ेगा, ये नहीं है इंटरकनेक्ट होगा एंड ऑल, दैट्स इट, राइट, दैट्स द थिंग। तो इससे ओके, वी हैव वन मोर क्वेरी फ्रॉम संस्कार। ओके सर, अभी मुझे असाइनमेंट का पीडीएफ नहीं मिला है, सो लेट मी रिक्वेस्ट यू वाया मेल, ताकि आप मुझे हेल्प कर पाओ सीक्वल का। असाइनमेंट तो इसी में ही है, लाइक इसमें ही है, असाइनमेंट से रिलेटेड इसी में ही, और वो ओपन टू ऑल है। आप लिंक पे जाओगे, गूगल ड्राइव लिंक पे, तो आपको मिल जाएगा। तो वहाँ पे असाइनमेंट का डायरेक्ट पीडीएफ है, दैट्स इट, यू हैव टू डाउनलोड इट। राइट। राइट। तो you have to directly go to the Google Drive link and you have to get it. ओके ओके, वी हैव वन मोर क्वेरी फ्रॉम आदर्श। अरे भैया ये बताओ, ऑटोमेट कैसा होता रहेगा? जैसे ओके, ऑटोमेट वगैरह रिलेटेड टू फाइल्स ऑटोमेट नहीं, आप पहले डैशबोर्ड बोल रहे थे ना, इसीलिए मैं बोला। तो फाइल्स जो जो भी फाइल्स ऑटो आते रहते, राइट, मतलब ऑटोमेटिकली जो भी आपके पास आते रहेगा, आप सिंपल उसको एक नॉर्मल फोल्डर में बना के रखो। नॉर्मल फोल्डर या तो नॉर्मल लोकेशन, एक ही लोकेशन में, तो लोकेशन मतलब फोल्डर ही बनाना है, नॉर्मल फोल्डर में बना के रखो, ठीक है। और उस फोल्डर को जैसे कि हम लोग जैसे डेटाबेसेस को क्या करते हैं, कनेक्ट करते हैं, ठीक है। डेटाबेसेस को जैसे पावर बीआई में कनेक्ट करते हैं, आपको फोल्डर को कनेक्ट करना है, ठीक है। फोल्डर को कनेक्ट करना है पावर बीआई में, तो उसमें जितने भी फाइल्स होंगे, जैसे कि आपने बोला एक्सेल फाइल, तो जो भी एक्सेल सीएसवी फाइल होंगे वो ऑलरेडी कंबाइन हो जाएगा। बस आपको रिफ्रेश करते रहना है, ठीक है। रिफ्रेश करते रहना है, तो जैसे ही रिफ्रेश करते रहोगे वो फाइल्स ऑटोमेटिक अपडेट होते रहेगा पावर बीआई में, ठीक है। ऑटोमेटिक अपडेट होते रहेगा पावर बीआई में और काम हो जाएगा, राइट, दैट्स द थिंग, ठीक है। नहीं तो और एक चीज़ है, और एक चीज़ क्या है, जो जब मैं प्रोजेक्ट किया था तब का बात है, उस टाइम मैं मतलब ऑटो रिफ्रेश में रखता था। ऑटो रिफ्रेश कैसे करना है मालूम आपको? डेटा में जाना है, उसके बाद क्वेरीज एंड कनेक्शन, क्वेरी एंड कनेक्शन में जाना होगा। क्वेरी एंड कनेक्शन में जाने के बाद आपको प्रॉपर्टीज़ में जाना होगा, ठीक है। मैं अपने प्रोजेक्ट में बनाया था, जब मैं लाइक आई थिंक अमेजन जब मैं स्विच किया था उस टाइम का बात है। तो प्रॉपर्टीज़ आप क्लिक क्लिक करना होगा और फिर सिलेक्ट करना होगा दिस रिफ्रेश डेटा व्हेन ओपनिंग द फाइल, ठीक है। व्हेन ओपनिंग द फाइल, हाँ, मेक श्योर करना जितने भी सी एस वी एक्सेल फाइल आ रहे हैं वो फोल्डर में आ रहे हैं, जो फोल्डर आपने सिलेक्ट किया, ठीक है, दैट्स द थिंग। राइट, इस तरीके से हो जाएगा। मतलब मैं अपने प्रोजेक्ट के लिए इस टाइप से किया था, और बाकी आप कॉर्पोरेट में काम करोगे तो यू विल गेट द ऑटो कनेक्ट एंड ऑटो रिफ्रेश ऑटोमेटिकली, ठीक है। राइट, ओके, वी हैव वन मोर क्वेरी, और लाइक थैंक यू सर, मिल गया, चलो सही है भाई। संस्कार, फर्स्ट फोल्डर में सारे एक्सेल फाइल डाला जो डेटा है, देन उसको एक्सेल में जाके कनेक्ट विथ फोल्डर, हाँ फोल्डर, देन क्या करना है, उसका रिलेशनशिप कैसे बनेगा, एक मास्टर रिलेशनशिप रिलेटेड बोल रहे हो, रिलेशनशिप रिलेटेड यू हैव टू क्रिएट इट, ठीक है। वो ऑटोमेटिक एक रिलेशनशिप जो बनता है, ऑटोमेटिक रिलेशनशिप जो पावर बीआई बनाता है, वो अपने हिसाब से बनाएगा, ठीक है। ऑटोमेटिक रिलेशनशिप जो पावर बीआई बनाएगा ना, वो अपने हिसाब से बनाएगा, लेकिन क्या है कि वो 80% करेक्ट रहता है, कभी कभार करेक्ट नहीं रहता है, तो इट इज़ बेटर कि आपको खुद वो रिलेशनशिप क्रिएट करना पड़ेगा, ठीक है। हाँ, हालांकि जो डेटा आप बोल रहे हो, सपोज जो फाइल फोल्डर्स आ रहे हैं, रोज अपडेट हो रहे हैं, सारे कॉलम्स अगर सेम है, मतलब जो पहला रिलेशन आपने क्रिएट किया होगा, फर्स्ट रिलेशन, ठीक है, और सारे कॉलम्स नेम और कॉलम्स के डेटा टाइप अगर सेम है, तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, वो ऑटोमेटिक पावर बीआई समझ जाएगा बैकएंड में, और वो रिलेशन को ही कंटिन्यू करते रहेगा, ठीक है। वो रिलेशन को ही कंटिन्यू करते रहेगा, ठीक। हाँ, अगर कॉलम नेम वगैरह चेंज हो गया तो भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं, डेटा ही चेक करता है वो, कॉलम के अंदर क्या डेटा है वो चेक करता है। बस बात यह है कि आपको कंफ्यूज नहीं होना है एट द एंड, क्योंकि पावर भी है तो डेटा देख के रिलेशनशिप क्रिएट कर देगा स्टार या स्नोफ्लेक्स का। बस बात यह है कि आपने जो डेक्स बनाया होगा ऑटोमेशन से रिलेटेड, उस पे इशू आ सकता है। तो बेटर है कि जितने भी अपडेट होते हैं आपके फाइल्स वगैरह, ठीक है, उसके कॉलम्स अपने हिसाब से एक ही रखो, एक स्पेसिफिक रखो, ठीक है, डोंट चेंज इट। और क्या रहता है, केस सेंसिटिव भी रहता है, तो इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ, अगर यहाँ पे इस टाइप का लिखे हो, सपोज क्या बोलूँ, सपोज एग्जांपल बोल रहा हूँ, अगर सपोज ऐसे सेल्स लिखा हुआ है पहले से, ऐसे ही लिखना, स्मॉल लेटर में लिखोगे, फिर बाकी कनेक्शन क्रिएट जो आप किए होगे इसके साथ, वो गलत हो जाएगा फिर, ठीक है, वहाँ पे इशू आ सकता है। तो मेक श्योर करो जो भी कॉलम नेम वगैरह रहेगा वो प्रॉपर रहेगा, दैट्स इट, ठीक है, और कुछ इशू नहीं है, राइट। तो मास्टर टेबल जो बोल रहे हो ऑटोमेटिक, वो मतलब आई थिंक, रुको रुको एक बार, मास्टर टेबल ना कैसे बनेगा, मास्टर टेबल बनाना होगा एंड ऑल, ओके। बट वो ऑटो, हाँ, मास्टर टेबल बनाने से भी वो ऑटोमेटिक अपडेट होते रहते हैं, मतलब वो अगर फोल्डर में आप सब कुछ डाल दे रहोगे ना, उस फोल्डर में अगर सारे फाइल्स आते रहेंगे सेम फोल्डर में, तो ऑटोमेटिक उसी में अपडेट होते रहेगा, ऑटोमेटिक अपडेट होते रहेगा, राइट। तो उसमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, उसमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। फोल्डर जो बनाया हो उसी में ही बस फाइल्स आना चाहिए, दैट्स इट, और कुछ इशू नहीं है, दिक्कत वाला बात नहीं है, ठीक है, उसमें कुछ दिक्कत वाला बात नहीं है, राइट। हाँ, अब ये अलग बात है कि सपोज आपके पास इस टाइप से आ गया, सेल्स वन फोल्डर, सेल्स टू फोल्डर, सॉरी, फाइल सेल्स वन, सेल्स टू, सेल्स थ्री। अब वो सब चीज़ों को एक काम करो, जहाँ पे कहीं पे भी आपको लगता है कॉलम्स अलग हैं, या तो कहीं पे भी लगता है रिलेशनशिप अलग क्रिएट होगा, तो इन सारे के लिए अलग अलग रिलेशनशिप क्रिएट करो, ठीक है, अलग से, वरना फिर मिक्सअप हो जाएगा, फिर एंड में रिपोर्ट बनाने टाइम इशू आ जाएगा, ठीक है, दैट इज़ द थिंग, राइट। वही बोल रहा हूँ। अब बोलोगे किस टाइप के फाइल्स हैं, क्या है, क्या डेटा है, तो मैं ज़्यादा डीप डाइव करके आई कैन हेल्प यू आउट, ठीक है। अभी तक जितना आपने बोला है फ्रॉम द अपर लेयर आई कैन हेल्प यू इन दिस, कि ये हो सकता है, दिस इज़ द वे, राइट। और बाकी रिफ्रेश रिलेटेड तो आप आई होप समझ में आ गया होगा, ऑटो रिफ्रेश के लिए भी है और नॉर्मल मैनुअल रिफ्रेश के लिए भी है, ठीक है। हे हाय, वेलकम टू लाइव स्ट्रीम। Welcome to live stream. I am learning SQL. Should I cover every topic? Can you tell me? It's for DA role. Yes, for SQL and Python, you have to learn each and every topic. For SQL and Python, I mean Python for data analytics, you have to learn each and every topic, because these are the tools, two important tools which is required for any of the data domain. You go for data analytics, you go for data engineering, you go for data science, any data domain you go, these two tools are highly required, you cannot escape from this, ठीक है। And even though you know about today's competition, so most of the company are also asking for BI tools, any BI tools, either it would be like Power BI or Tableau. There is like no comparison for that, anything you can learn apart, like for your comfortability and your flexibility, ठीक है। Related to topic, I would say main topic, like main क्या है, group by main topic, where versus having, aggregate functions, ठीक है, these are the basics one. Then you go for, oh sorry, then we have this joins. Most of the time it is like self join, full outer join, or anything of left or right. Most of the time, and most of the time during interviews and during the corporate work culture, not only corporate but also client work culture, you have to go with this self join. These two things are additional, ठीक है। That's the thing, join. Then go for this subquery ct, these are the main topics. Then we have windows function, in windows function you go for the aggregate part as well, like sum, max, min. Then you can ask for percent rank, ठीक है। That's the thing. And next part means part B of windows function, you have to take care of this as well. Partition by what, related to following, related to preceding, following, preceding, and all, one following, one preceding. Then unbounded, unbounded following or unbounded preceding, ठीक है। This all things, right, that is the main thing as well. And also this relation between this primary key, foreign key, constraint I mean to say, foreign key, references, ठीक है। These are the main thing, take care of this as well, ठीक है। So that's all about it in SQL. And most of the time the data related analyst or engineers, or I would say data scientists, are involved in this topics in SQL point of view, ठीक है। So go with this topics and you're good to go, right? Yeah, hi Parikshit, welcome to live stream. Hi Parikshit, welcome to live stream. So एनी मोर डाउट्स? अच्छा आदर्श, आपको कुछ एडिशनल पूछना है तो पूछ सकते हो। इन केस आपको कुछ और समझना है डीप डाइव वे में, तो आप ये भी बोल सकते हो क्या क्या कॉलम्स है क्या नहीं है, ताकि मैं और डीप डाइव में जाके आपको समझा सकूं, राइट? तो ओके, लेट मी चेक। बाकी किसी को कुछ मेल्स वगैरह, दिस इज माई मेल आई डी बाय द वे। मेल आई डी है, anybody have any doubts they can send in mail as well. And apart from that we have some projects. In Feb 1 we will have a project related to Power BI and SQL, so please do watch that. You will see lots of things like updating table from SQL and having to work on the same table in Power BI. Lots of things are there. Okay, most of your doubts will be cleared related to SQL and Power BI. Most of your doubts, like the basic and the common doubts, okay, it will be cleared very nicely. So no worries for that. And if not, I'm there in the live stream. You can ask me as well, right? So that's the thing. So anybody have any more doubts in the live stream, they can ask your doubts. So any doubts related to anything? Okay, we have one more query. I have taken the notes. Thank you so much for the clarity. Yeah, welcome, bro. Welcome. It was so heavy for me because I have almost completed till advanced SQL. That's a good thing. That's a good thing. But I get confused when solving a problem. See, this confusion thing, let me tell you, that's a very common thing. No worries about that. This confusing kind of thing, when you learn the, when you study the question, or you try to understand the question, and also sometimes what happen, you will get confused like what table should I take data from, what table to join, what to do and all. In this way, I mean, in this kind of scenario, each and everyone face this kind of scenario when they are at the starting stage or they are at the beginner stage. Even with me, I was facing that as well. Even though today also, it's not like it's not like it's a one time process, it's a never ending process. So for that, you just go and check any of the programmer in any field, any of the programmer or any of the data analysts who write SQL and Python queries and commands. They always do one thing, is what, they do dry run. Okay, if you know about this term dry run is what it is all about: writing and understanding the question requirement, the question or business requirement asked in the question, using pen and paper, right? Using pen and paper. Okay, so the thing is, what mistake we used to do, like I used to do the same thing, like most of us do the same thing. It's like what we do, like we read the question, then we directly jump into the dash, I mean RDBMS. Okay, sorry for this, RDBMS or your SQL environment. Okay, directly we jump and directly we look into the table, and then it's normal, everybody does that. First thing first, what you do, directly check what tables we have when solving this question, what tables we have, first thing first. Okay, second, explore that table, explore it, explore. Exploration means see what columns are there. Okay, what columns are means common in suppose table 1, table 2, table 3. Suppose these three tables are required for a question. That's what I'm saying. Explore. Then third thing, what you do not write any query. This is like select everything from the table. This is still here, only the basic queries. Third thing, what you do dry run. Take a copy, take a pen, write the question in keywords kind of thing. Keywords matlab either one line, either one word, and ask yourself what I need to find out. ठीक है. Suppose example, easy example I'm saying. Suppose I need to find out total sales per category. ठीक है, per category. ठीक. So what you need, first thing first, you will think कि अच्छा sales, total sales is required per category. What columns do we need total? First thing first, we need sales column, we need category column. There is an example I am saying just to make you understand. You will write this thing. Okay, we need sales column and we need category column. ठीक है, from here. So right now what is the question asking to us, like to the user? Question is asking to find total sales. ठीक है, total sales. So how can we find total sales? Simple, sum of sales. You write this sum of sales. Okay, done. Half of the question done here. Then question is asking like per category. So what is the point of view for the question? I mean point of view of sales. You will find the sales with point of view of category. So category will be in group by, obviously, because anything you need in point of view like category point of view or employee id point of view, it will be in group by 200% times. ठीक है. So you need this kind of things, this aggregate function, this group by function, and this column. Simple. You have already done 80% to 90% of the question when you do a dry run. ठीक है. You see most of our, like in Amazon also, like my last company was Amazon. There are people who are earning like more than 80 LPA, maybe I think 1 CR plus. One guy was earning, like he was having experience of 6 year plus experience. He was also like always he was keeping a pen and a paper, like pen and a paper, always during meetings, during solving queries, or during like not solving queries, solving the business problem, or like discussing queries. ठीक है, discussing query with us. Every time what he used to, he never used to go to rdbms at first place. He always used to write, okay, what do you want? We say ki like we want this, we want this, we want that, but these things are not coming. Then he tell us to just calm down and say what you actually need from the problem, I mean from the business statement or from the problem statement. Simple. We say okay, we need this and this. Then he used to ask one thing, he used to write, he used to ask one thing, okay, this things we will get from what columns? We say ki, acha, we have this columns from this table, this columns from this table, this column from this table. He says okay, that's it, good. Then he say okay, is there any way we can like connect all this thing, or is the three tables anyhow connected somehow? We say ki acha, this two are connected, this is not connected. Okay, no worries, we will connect this with some other column, or we will connect it with join if there is a solution for that. Then he says okay, if everything is connected, connection is done between the table. ठीक है, column, whatever column it is required, we got it. Simple. Right now tell me what we need to find out. Do we need to find out the total? Do we need to find out the comparison between last 3 months data with current data, or do we need to find out average xyz? ठीक है. Then we say कि we need to find out this and this. Then you say okay, what functions do we need to work out? These are the functions that will be used. From there only, from dry run only, I would say 80% to 90% of the problem, I mean business problem or the problem statement is solved then and there. After that, when you write a query, yeah, there would be mistakes. It's not like ki we are at god level, there won't be any mistake. There will be mistakes, but earlier what would be happening if you don't do dry run, there will be lots of mistakes will be there, and you will get frustrated. Everyone get frustrated, we are human beings, and brain won't be able to process the next step, and then we say ki yaar, we don't know SQL, we don't know Python, although we know each and everything, but still we will say we don't know this, we don't know that, our practice is not good, this that, negative thinking, negative thoughts will come. And when negative thinking, negative thoughts comes in your mind, then obviously this logical things where I would say like programming or query writing things won't be happening. For that you need mind calm mind, positive mind, then only it would work. ठीक है? So when you do dry run, most of the time 80 to 90% of the problem statement is solved then and there. At least you know the structure, you will get to know the structure. Okay, this things are there, this is what we need to do. Once you know the structure, that's it. You have to just settle it up in a proper way and you will get the output. Simple as it is. ठीक है? This is how you have to do. And your confusion will also get, like, I would say, you won't get any confusion after that. Let me tell you, you might get confusion, but that confusion will be very much low level. Like, you will be able to solve that confusion in 5 minutes kind of thing. So do a dry run, think about it, give time to the problem statement. In dry run, what happen, your brain gives time to प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट. ठीक है, वॉट एवर प्रॉब्लम स्टेटमेंट है, योर ब्रेन गिव्स टाइम टू दैट. ठीक है, योर ब्रेन गिव्स टाइम टू tables, whatever tables we have, whatever columns we have, your brain gives time to that, and brain keeps a step by step kind of ladder, like what we have done on first step, what on second, what on third, what on fourth, like that. And when everything comes step by step, obviously you will get the answer. Simple as it is. ठीक है, that's the thing, right? That's the thing. So anybody have any more okay, let me remove the charger, I think it's charged. So anybody have any more doubts here? Let me see if it is working properly. Like, sometimes what happen, that live stream gets switched off automatically. That's why I just need to check out, like, is everything working properly or not, right? Okay, we have. Oh, hi, Acha Parikshit. I am solving SQL questions from SQL Bolt website. Okay, I am facing some difficulty. Could you please explain lesson 4, especially the second and third question? SQL Bolt. I don't know it will open or not in the VPN, but still, let's see. SQL Bolt. Okay. Okay, we have. Okay, I have just opened the website. It's taking time because VPN is connected. So, hi Rohit, welcome to live stream. Welcome to live stream. My hello, my end sem has started, and I think I will get cooked. End sem na? Acha, ha. It's the correct. End sem. No worries, bro. You won't get cooked. Just chill. ठीक है. Everybody have faced the scenario. Everybody has got success after that. and everybody has thought the same thing, like you are thinking like I might get cooked and or something. We have also faced the scenario, but let me tell you, that's just overthinking. What you are doing is like you are just overthinking. Okay, so just chill, everything will go good. Okay, and will be good. So no overthinking, let me tell you. Okay, that's the thing. Oops, sorry. Let me see. Parikshit, just stay in the live stream. Okay. Let me see first. Let me open the SQL Bolt website. It's taking time, and by that meantime, just let me answer one query from my client. So just stay in the live stream, Parikshit. Once it gets open, I am just solve your query. Okay. That's the thing. Okay. Okay, it has opened. So Parikshit, okay, you have also written okay. And we have one more query from Rohit. I just don't wanna get back. Malab back paper you are thinking, na? It won't happen, no worries. I'm telling you now, we as a human being do overthinking a lot. Okay. We do overthinking a lot. No need to worry about. Don't overthink. Everything will go good. Okay. ठीक. Let me tell you one thing. No need to worry about. And what I would say, you know what, most of my friends who are in foreign countries, I don't know you will all believe this or not. It might look like a movie kind of thing what I am going to tell you now. Most of my friends who have back papers in, what we say, in my college, most of my friends are in foreign countries right now, they are working. I don't think you all will believe this thing. It will, it like you will feel like, yeah, I'm telling this thing for motivating you, just creating a story. It's not like that. Most of the people who have back papers are in foreign countries. I was the one who was having one back paper, although I've corrected it, but still I am not in foreign because I am the exception one. But still, most of my friends who have 2 3 4 back papers, they are right now working in foreign countries, let me tell you that. That's the truth. You might believe like this is not the correct thing, I might be creating a story, but that's the real thing what I'm saying. So just chill. You never know, like let me tell you one thing, you never know what life have for you in future. ठीक है, you never know what life have for you in future. ठीक है, so just chill, don't overthink, right? Don't overthink. You won't get back paper, you will pass all the subject with good marks. So just chill. ठीक है, and that's a real story. So I am not creating any story like to motivate anyone. That's the real story. I have also got a back paper in किस में mech, I have forgot the name as well, in my BTech I mean to say, but I have cleared it in the same sem only, same semester. But my friends who have 2 back paper, 3 back paper, 4 back paper, they are working in foreign countries right now. They are earning huge. That is also a thing. Earning huge. That's what I'm saying. You don't know what life have for you in future. You don't know that, and don't overthink. Don't overthink, bhai. Nothing will happen. Everything will be good. Everything will happen good with you. So just chill. ठीक है? Okay. I have seen the क्या नाम है इसका? I forgot. This is the thing, right? Where is it? Just a minute. क्या sequel bolt का क्या था? lesson 4 filtering and sorting. This one, right? Okay, let's solve it. Let's solve it. What we I hope you can see this question in the live stream, everyone. Right? This one, right? I hope Parikshit, you are there in the live stream. I hope Parikshit, you are there in the live stream. I hope Parikshit is there in the live stream. Okay, we have two live queries. Like, uh, it was really helpful. Thank you so much. I am changing my domain from non-IT to IT as data analyst. I am studying through YouTube. I am going in right path. Does it have good growth since AI is growing? Yes, I can see the question. See, first thing first, no need to worry about this AI kind of thing, because for technical domain, AI will take a good amount of time, so no need to worry about. For non tech domain मतलब non tech domain in companies I am saying, ठीक है, like anything which is repeated, ठीक है, anything which is repeated a lot of time kind of thing, repetition kind of work where logic is not used, ठीक है, where logic is not used, all those kind of thing will be replaced easily by this, what we say, एक minute, will be replaced by AI, because obviously the thing which is I would the things which are repeated a lot of time don't require any logic. AI can do it easily, but the things which require logic like web development, या तो data analytics, या तो software development, it requires logic. You cannot make anything same again and again. For that, AI will take a good amount of time, so no need to worry about. ठीक है? No need to worry about. For technical thing, just chill. No need to worry about that. ठीक है? Right, I can see the question. Okay, no worries, but I am waiting for Parikshit. Like, Parikshit, are you there in the live stream? I have just opened the question, and thanks to my VPN for taking so much time. I don't know why. But anyways, okay, we have one more query. Yes, I can see lesson fifth actually. Lesson fifth. What we have then right now? You have told lesson 4 क्या? lesson 4 है कि 5th है? Okay. Okay, just wait a minute. Let me open lesson 5 again. I thought it's lesson. what we say, lesson 5. Let me see. Lesson 5, what we have. Let me open it. ठीक है. Let me open this lesson. 1 minute. SQL bold. Where is it? SQL bold. Lesson 5. LESS1 lesson 5. Let me open this and see. Let me open this and see. Are you not okay? We have one query. Hi Rohit, welcome to live stream. Hi Rohit, welcome to live stream. Are you not active on Instagram? Not that much. Related to Instagram, we have an Instagram channel for this classes with me, but there I post only my fitness wala reels and all. ठीक है. But once in a week, मतलब in Sunday I post it, then I uninstall it. I mean, I don't use it. I sometimes uninstall it, sometimes I keep it because I don't have time to use it. So we have an Instagram ID for my YouTube channel. I mean, yeah, YouTube channel only. ठीक है. ये thanks यार. Thanks Shantu. Thanks for taking the membership. Really, thank you, bhai. Thank you for that. Thanks to it. Thanks for taking the membership. And let me tell you one thing. We post about project each and every month. I mean, each and every month we post a new project. And this time in February, I mean to say, in February you will be able to see this SQL plus Power BI project in Spotify wrapped. ठीक है. I mean to say the Spotify wrapped project we will see in 1st February, and that project will be handled with the use of these two tools. ठीक है. And whatever project I have done till date, it is in freelance point of view. I mean to say I work for freelance clients. ठीक है. So the thing is how a data analyst handle freelance client with the help of mail, email, like handling raw datas and all, then asking for data from the client, asking for additional data from the client, email communication, each and everything are present in this mail. I mean present in this project, not mail. You will be able to see that. Okay. So that's a really good thing. You will understand a lot of thing, and apart from that, we have this what we say, live stream as well. You can ask your doubts. ठीक. And thank you for taking the membership for freshers project. Thank you for that. Thank you, really thank you. So I don't know why it is taking a lot of time. Lesson 5. Lesson 5. Wait, let's again see SQL bold. Lesson 5. Okay, it opened. So yeah, Parikshit, you are there in the live stream. I think we don't. This is the lesson 5, I think so, right? Is this the lesson 5, Parikshit? Parikshit, are you there in the live stream? Actually, this thing has opened. I mean, this link has opened right now, and VPN is connected. That's why it is taking a good amount of time right? So let's see. And can you tell me what question? Okay, we have a second and third question. So second and third question for where is it? Oh wait, second and third question. ठीक है? You want this क्या? Second and third question. So like, can you write a yes or a no so that I can understand like इसका second and third question. Like, can you write a yes or a no? By that meantime, let me do this question number one. ठीक है? List of all Canadian cities and their population. Okay. Select everything from this where country equal to ठीक है. So one question done. So Parikshit, can you write the second and third question, right, Parikshit? So I'm doing that. List of all cities from US, their latitude from north to south. Oh, north to south. North to south, I think we have to take care of the numbers latitude to longitude. North to south. Okay. How does this north to south kind of, I have to take care of geography or what? I think so. Like in the US. Okay, let's go first. Where country equal to United States. ठीक है. That's the thing. North to south. How can I know like what is north, what is south right now? Okay, we have this thing. Positive latitude correspond to northern hemisphere and positive longitude correspond to eastern hemisphere. Let me write it. Oh, sorry, yaar. Positive. What we have? The question. This is the trick. That's a good question, by the way. Positive latitude. Positive latitude equal to northern hemisphere and positive longitude correspond to eastern hemisphere. ठीक है. Since North America is in north of equator, okay, this is equator, north of equator, North America is there, and west is prime. All of the cities in the list have positive latitude and negative longitude. ठीक है. From north to south. ठीक है. So north to south मतलब wait. Latitude and longitude are like that, na? North to south. Positive longitude is east. Let me see. latitude, ascending, is it that? Order all the cities by the latitude from north to south. No, why I'm taking all the cities in United States. Okay, I've taken that order by latitude. So a positive latitude is like correspond to northern hemisphere and positive longitude, and they are asking for latitude from north to south. Positive latitude correspond to northern hemisphere. Hmm. Correspond to northern hemisphere. Ascending is there. What? In everything is positive here. It is all the cities have positive latitude. Okay. Ascending it is not showing, and descending it will show. Okay, it is showing then. So we have got the second query right now. Like Parikshit, are you there in the live stream? We have got this. Okay. So what is the thing here? Let me tell you. North hemisphere means, see, it is like that. Let me show you this. Let me explain you this. All the cities have positive longitude. Okay, we got it. So what I believe, because see, I am not that good in geography, let me tell you. So northern hemisphere, they've asked for all from north to south, north to southern hemisphere. Okay, and what we have an idea ki positive latitude is for northern hemisphere. ठीक है, we have this much idea. ठीक, so that's why what I have done and what they have given for United States, what I have done is like I have took all the cities. ठीक है, I have took all the cities, then this is the table obviously, then it is United States, so obviously United States I have uh, given a filter United States. And I know one thing because of this information कि latitude resemble to northern hemisphere. So I came to know one thing कि whatever things we have to do, we have to do by latitude column only. We cannot go to the longitude column. Why? Because longitude column is all about west hemisphere, east hemisphere. ठीक है, we have to work on north hemisphere. ठीक, and it is like north and south hemisphere. So north and south hemisphere we have to take care of latitude. So whatever detail or whatever thing we have to work on, we have to take care of this column only. ठीक है, we have to take care of this column only, right? Latitude column. So we have took the latitude column. I have done ascending, I have got no result, so I done descending and I got the result. ठीक है, that's it. So till here is the main concept or main logic. This is also I don't know why descending is working, ascending is not, because I don't know like north may is there the highest number of longitude or latitude. I don't know that because I am not that much good in what we say geography. But I know one thing from the dry run that we done here. ठीक है, from the dry run that we done here, we came to know like these are the columns and these are the data that we actually need to work on to find the answer. ठीक है, that's it. ठीक, so I hope you got. Okay, we have one query. Yes, now I understand, thank you. चलो, so you will like you need this third question as well क्या? Second and third you have told for lesson 4, but it's lesson 5 second and third. ठीक है, so should we go to third question? अब क्या हो गया, why it is like that? Okay, third question. ठीक है, list all the cities west of Chicago, order from west to east. Okay, let's do a dry run here. ठीक है, what things question is asking, problem statement is asking. like everyone in the live stream, those who are there in the live stream, please have a look in that how we do dry run and how we find the solution of the problem statement. Even though I don't have any idea about geography, but I have idea about SQL and Python. Means I don't have that much idea, let me tell you the thing, but still I am still on a learning phase. Everyone will be in a learning phase till death, because that's a programming thing. So it's not like everybody knows everything. So still, in 5 years and 5 months of work ex, I have done the dry run. From dry run I find out, from the second question, what columns do we need. We have got the column data, written it here, and then just ascending and descending, we got the solution. That's it. Main thing is what column, what data do you need, and from the dry run what you need to find out, you have to use the logic there. And for this you don't need to understand any history, geography, anything. You just need to understand this SQL, Python, and how to decode the question. That's it. Okay. Okay, we have one more query. Good that I found our YouTube channel. Thanks to YouTube suggestion. Arre, welcome, bro. Now I got an idea how to solve a problem. Okay, so you are checking out this problem. That's a good thing. How we solved out a question which is not in our domain, like geography is not. I don't think anybody will be having geography as their domain. But still, how do we find out the answer? Because of dry run. So each and every one, let me tell you, dry run is only the solution, and most of the programmers do that. Okay, that's the thing. Okay, so let's move to question number 3. List all the cities west of Chicago. Okay, what things we have? City, country, population, latitude, longitude. Do we have anything called west or east? Nothing, right? So Chicago, we have this only Chicago. But west of Chicago, what? I mean, cities, we don't know what we have in west of Chicago. We don't know that. We don't know the cities. Okay, we can do a Google check, but anyways we will do it at the end. Okay, we will do it at the end to find out what cities are there in the क्या है west of Chicago. ठीक है, west of Chicago. ठीक है, we will find it out at the end, but let's find out with the logic and dry run. Order from west to east. ठीक है, order from west to east. West of Chicago, order from west to east. ठीक है, and what we have here is like positive longitude resemble east. ठीक है, positive longitude, positive longitude is what we have the eastern part. If I check out here, let's read this thing again. Positive latitude north hemisphere, positive longitude eastern hemisphere. ठीक है, so it is like we have to take care of this column. That's it. So what column do we have to take care of? Sorry, we have to take care of first city column, because we have to find the cities. Second, we have to take care of west to east kind of column, and west to east means wait, longitude. ठीक है, because east resembles what? Positive longitude. So west might be what? Negative longitude. ठीक है, maybe because if north and south are into latitude, so obviously east and west will be in longitude. ठीक है, simple as it is. East and west will be in longitude. Simple. So we have to take care of longitude का column and city का column, and let's see what things we have. So let's write one more thing here. West, east, positive. It can be either negative or either positive. I don't know, it can be anything, because I don't know what is longitude. I even don't know longitude is in. Anyways, let's see. List of all cities from this. वेस्ट ऑफ शिकागो, वेस्ट ऑफ शिकागो, ठीक है, वेस्ट ऑफ शिकागो मतलब वॉट एवर थिंग्स विल बी देयर इट विल बी दैट साइड, ठीक है, this is globe it will be that side, west east it will be that side. Okay, let's see what we have till now. We can find out till here, okay. Let's see what we have. Longitude, let's just simply write order by longitude, ठीक है. It can be anything, like right now it is ascending and from west to east they are asking, it is positive. West to east can be, here can be negative, here can be positive, and we have to find the city. Let's see. Ascending, do we find anything? No. Descending, do we find anything? No. Okay, no worries. Let's see what we have in Chicago. Let's see that. Let's see what Chicago is having. That is also the main thing. Where is Chicago first? Chicago is here. So latitude of Chicago, let's do a deep dive again. Latitude. Sorry. Latitude and longitude of Chicago. ठीक है? It's plus 41 minus 87. ठीक है? Plus 41 minus 87. ठीक. So minus 87 means obviously Chicago is not in the east. Why? Because for east we have positive longitude. So obviously it is not in the east. Chicago is already in the west. ठीक है? Chicago is already in the west. ठीक? We can get from here. Acha, one more question. Why are we taking longitude, why not latitude? You might have this question in your mind कि why I am taking longitude and saying why not latitude. First thing first, check what we need to find out. We need to find out cities west of Chicago. So question or problem statement is everything about west and east, ठीक है, everything is about that. So anything which is related to west or east will be obviously related to longitude, ठीक है. That's the reason I am taking care of longitude part rather than latitude, because latitude is what, north to south, ठीक है, that's why. But our question is west to east. Okay, we have 2-3 queries. Hi Shiva, welcome to live stream. Welcome to live stream. Okay, hi Ashutosh, welcome to live stream. Hi Ashutosh, welcome to live stream. So voice is low, sir. When you were start this? This is I have started today. I think by 9:30 because I had some meeting with clients. I have to work for the clients. I started late today, so that's why. And I hope right now my voice is good. Okay, we have one query from Parikshit. Voice is good. Okay, so chalo. That's a good thing. We got a sign that voice is good. So let me tell you one thing. Why I am taking longitude here? Why not latitude? Because question is all about west to east, west east, it is west and east, and west east is what, related to longitude. That's why I'm taking care of longitude. Okay, let's forget about latitude right now. ठीक, longitude we have to take care of. Simple. Here Chicago longitude, let me show you here, is what, minus 87. ठीक है. So what we have here, east is positive and west, I don't know. West can be positive, can be negative. I don't know that. I don't have idea about geography. I don't know that. We will use logic and try to find out the answer. So it is like ki east is positive, west can be negative or something. So we can say that obviously Chicago is not in east because Chicago is always into positive. So obviously it's not in east. And if this is not in east, it can be in west. Obviously it can be in west. Why? Because it's negative sign. And from here what I can believe is like west of longitude can be negative because it is showing Chicago ka longitude is in negative. So obviously it won't be in east because east mein hota to it would be positive. It is in negative longitude, so it will be in west. ठीक है? It's like 50-50% kind of predictability assumption. So what they are asking, cities west of Chicago. When Chicago is not in east, obviously it will be in west. So west of Chicago, they are asking like west of Chicago. So can we do like this कि अभी क्या है यहाँ पे -87. So the cities in west of Chicago would be like -86, either -85, -84, what I believe. ठीक है? Or it can be like that. It can be like that. -89, -90. I don't know. It can be anything. But it can be anything. So what we have to do right now, we have to add a filter where we will use some operator less than and greater than. ठीक है? And we will check like do we get the answer, because let me tell you one thing, I am saying it again and again, I am not good at geography. I am good at I'm not good, but I am having idea in creating logic. So anything west of Chicago can be in two ways. ठीक है? Can be in two ways, either -86, -85, -84, or -89, -90, -91, -92. So how these two things will come here in our output? By using some operators. ठीक है? This operators greater than, less than. ठीक है? Let's do it. Okay, we have one more query. Now your voice is good. Hey, hi Sudhir, welcome to live stream. Welcome to live stream. Hello. Okay, we have one more query. Basically we are breaking down the question and understanding the logic to solve the query. Yes, this is what we are doing, because see, if we would be good at geography, we would have found out the answer by now, let me tell you. But we are not good at that. We have only one option left with us. Apart from googling it, we have one option left with us, that is creating logic. Let's create the logic. Let's see how much can we think, and let's do the what we say hit and trial method, and let's find the answer. Till here what we have find out, we have to use two of the operators, either greater than or either less than. ठीक है? Less than -87 means -86, -85 and so on. Greater than -87 means what? It's like no, sorry. Greater than -87 is it will go till 0, right? Like minus 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 and 0. So -86, 85, huh, obviously. And less than -87 means -88, -89, -90. Let's see, let's do it. City na, city from this, where, because filtration is there, longitude is, let's pray to God and let's see what's the thing. -80, what's the number actually, I forgot that. Sorry, I have to see everything right now. What's the number? Let's cross it. Number is कहाँ गया? -87 point this. Let's write it here, let's keep it here. ठीक है? We will copy it here. ठीक? Let's paste this. I have just अब ठीक है. Longitude less than, let's copy this. paste it. So do we have to do this ascending list of all cities? Let's remove this. Do we need it? Have they told? Order from west to east. Let's check it. Ascending, let's do it. Okay, it's done, it's done. So everyone, we have completed it. I was going to do this hit and trial method. What hit and trial method I would saying? I was saying is like I used to do less than descending, less than ascending, greater than descending, greater than ascending. ठीक है? I will do all those things because I don't know what cities come from west to east, north to south of America. I don't know that. That's why I used to do this hit and trial method. Less than the number with descending, less than the number with ascending, greater than the number with descending, greater than the number with ascending. This is like cross section kind of thing I would have done. Okay, so right now we have got the solution, and from here what we came to find out, from here our logic, what we came to find out, east and west. East positive, west negative, and from here all the things are in negative. So that's why we have used the logic here and we have found out the solution. Okay, it would be like that key first I might have done this and might not have found the solution. Okay, but anyhow, from the first hit and trial, no sorry, second hit and trial, because first hit and trial what we have done, this and descending. Okay, if we have done this and ascending in first, we would have got the answer on first chance, but we have got the answer on second chance with the help of logic. So that is all about it. I hope you got it, Parikshit. Okay, we have one more query from Ashutosh. Sir, like how to start SQL and practice from which side? If I do not practice long time, like break. See, related to SQL practice, first thing first, we have good amount of like sqlpractice.com is there. For the easy one, data lemmer, easy one I'm saying, datalemmer.com, these two things. Then if you want to go with the intermediate and advanced, then you know this क्या था I forgot, SQL 50 question lead code, ठीक है, and SQL zoo. So these are having hard quality questions and these two websites are having easy quality questions. So whatever you want, it is like available in your online platform, in your website. Just I mean in your Google platform, just write the website, you will get their own SQL environment and you have to just write it. Just you can go and watch that, that's it. Like this you can go and practice on a daily basis, okay, rather than taking a long break. Because see, coding is just like maths, okay na? Coding is same as maths, right? Just remember your 10th and 12th. Just remember your 10th and 12th. You used to practice a lot in maths from chapter 1 to chapter last. How many chapters are there? Every day, not every day, but most of the time, so that during the final exam you would able to cover all the topics in just a week. Okay, so it is all about practice and coding is just like practice. You have to go and carry out with that, that's it, nothing else. Okay, Shantanu is live. Oh, thank you bro, thank you Shantanu. This is a good question for beginners. For logic building, that's a good question I would say. Related to logic building, I would say good question. Actually good question related to logic building. मतलब logic building in both SQL plus geography, right? But it took a good amount of time. The third question took good amount of time. Second one is okay because it is like simply written north to south. So north is all about latitude and in ascending descending we got the solution. But this one, west of Chicago from west to east, it was a kind of hit and trial kind of method. Hit and trial in the same logic that you have applied. That's it. ठीक है, right? Anybody have any doubts in the live stream? Anybody have any more doubts in the live stream? Actually, the thing is, it takes time to show the questions. I mean, not questions, but the live chat here. It takes time. I don't know why. ठीक है. Let me write this thing. My client has just messaged me. Just let me. Okay, no worries. Hey, hi Vishwajit, welcome to live stream. Hi Vishwajit, welcome to live stream. Order. Okay, let me just close this for now and let's go. Oops, what happened? So okay, what we have order by ये where के बाद आता है क्या हर बार, या फिर ग्रुप बाय, या फिर क्वेरीज के साथ भी आता है? देखो, ऑर्डर बाय का काम क्या है? फर्स्ट थिंग फर्स्ट, हम लोग समझते हैं ऑर्डर बाय का काम क्या है. ठीक है, ऑर्डर बाय का काम बस शॉर्ट करना है, शॉर्टिंग. ठीक है, एक्सेल में जैसे रहता है ना, आप एक्सेल में देखते हो इस टाइप का रहता है, A to B, A to B इस टाइप से रहता है, शॉर्टिंग समथिंग लाइक दैट. ठीक है, सेम चीज़, खाली शॉर्टिंग का काम है, दैट्स इट. खाली शॉर्टिंग का काम है, दैट्स इट, नथिंग एल्स. ठीक है, और ऑर्डर बाय, अगर आप ऑर्डर ऑफ एग्जीक्यूशन में पूछो, ऑर्डर ऑफ एग्जीक्यूशन में इफ़ यू आस्क कि ऑर्डर बाय कहाँ रहता है, ऑलवेज लास्ट, नहीं तो सेकेंड लास्ट में रहता है. लास्ट सेकेंड लास्ट क्यों बोल रहा हूँ, इतना बता दे रहा हूँ. लास्ट कब होगा? जब लिमिट नहीं लगेगा. अगर लिमिट आप नहीं लगा रहे हो, लाइक लिमिट 2, लिमिट 3, तो ऑर्डर बाय लास्ट में रहता है. अगर आप लिमिट लगाते हो, ठीक है, ऑर्डर बाय कॉलम, असेंडिंग, डिसेंडिंग, एनीथिंग, देन अगर लिमिट लगाते हो तो वो सेकेंड लास्ट में रहेगा. ठीक है, तो इसका काम एकदम एंड में है, तो नो नीड टू वरी अबाउट. ठीक है, तो आप पूछ रहे हो ना ये ग्रुप बाय या फिर, हमेशा एंड में आता है. ठीक है, हमेशा एंड में आता है, और लास्ट या तो सेकेंड लास्ट में रहता है, हमेशा एंड में. लास्ट कब रहेगा? अगर लिमिट ऑर्डर नहीं रहेगा, आई मीन टू से लिमिट नहीं लगाओगे तो लास्ट में रहेगा. अगर लिमिट लगाए हो, जैसे लिमिट 2 या लिमिट 3, तो ऑर्डर बाय सेकेंड लास्ट में रहता है, दैट्स द थिंग. ठीक है, ओके. आई हैव वन मोर क्वेरी फ्रॉम आशुतोष कि हाउ मच प्रॉब्लम डेली बेसिस में प्रैक्टिस करना है basis for DA. Other roles like I am immediately related to practice. Let me tell you, if you are free right now, at least 4 to 5 hours every day you give for practice for SQL and Python. At least 4 to 5 hours, because if you don't practice on a daily basis, you will start forgetting about the logic or concepts. Let me tell you. ठीक है, practice daily 4 to 5 hours at least. If you have the same question भी प्रैक्टिस करो, नो नीड टू वरी अबाउट. सेम क्वेश्चंस भी डेली प्रैक्टिस करो. एटलीस्ट आपका लॉजिक, लाइक योर लॉजिक एंड कॉन्सेप्ट विल बी क्लियर इन योर ब्रेन. ठीक है, मेन थिंग इज दैट, राइट? एग्जाम्पल आई एम सेइंग, इफ यू हैव प्रैक्टिस एल्जेब्रा टुडे, लाइक, या ट्रिग्नोमेट्री, sorry I forgot, a plus b square, like a square plus b square plus 2ab, and after 1 month you start practicing this, you will start to forget this formula. ठीक है, simple, like practice on a daily basis at least 2-3 questions from like topic, any topic or any concept, and you will be able to gain the solution. Or one more website we have right now, like SQL Bolt. You can practice from there. And SQL Bolt में क्या है, like topic wise practice भी है. So topic wise practice is also there, so you can practice topic wise as well. Every day give time and don't see the answer at first place. Whatever logic you have, apply that logic on a daily basis and get it. That's right. That's right. Okay, we have one more query. My whole team was removed from the current office. Okay, no worries. This Jan was my last working day. Right now, I am currently okay and trying hard to learn, become DA so that I can get a good job. You will get. So, best thing is you are having work X, right? ठीक है, you are having work X. Best thing is that no need to worry about. You are having work X, whatever work X you have, you know whatever work X you have. I don't know that, recruiter don't know that. ठीक है, when you will sit on the interview, directly say like, in my work I used to use SQL and Python on a daily basis. Directly say that I used to use SQL and Python, and make this work X into your data analytics work X, right? Tell them a lie. No need to say the real thing. No need to say like, if you are using, if you are not using SQL, Python or Excel, you know that. I don't know that, your recruiters don't know that. ठीक है, directly say to recruiter, I was working with 70% of the time using SQL, Python, Excel and all. 30% of the time I used to work on whatever work you was doing. ठीक है, simple. So in this way you can directly convert this work X, whatever work X you are having, no question in that. Whatever work X you are having, you can easily convert it into data analyst work X. At least the recruiter will be happy to see that you are industry level, you are having an industry level experience with use of SQL and Python. ठीक है, so best thing is you are having work X, so chill, convert that work X, change your CV, tailor your CV, add SQL, Python like this. But let me tell you one thing, you should have a good grip in this. ठीक है, if you told SQL and Python, you were working in your previous work X, and the recruiter asks you question and you don't have the answer in your mind, then it will be an issue. ठीक है, first have a good grip in these two things, tailor your CV by adding these two tools. Directly say like, at the end of the day I used to send report, I used to just send report in Excel, I used to just extract the report from SQL, I used to just compare the report using SQL, XYZ. You say that. No need to say the real thing. No, I haven't used SQL, Python. ठीक है, tell a lie and get a job. That's it. ठीक है, do it. No need to worry about. Just everybody is doing this. Let me tell you, everybody is doing this. Otherwise, if this thing won't happen, so it won't be possible from, like, it won't be really possible to move from non-tech to tech background. Everybody is saying a lie, everybody is manipulating their work X. Malab, don't manipulate in your that, what we say, uh, exit letter or something. Say I used to work that, I used to work this, I used to use SQL tools, Python and all. You say, you tell whatever you used to write a query, what you used to do, frame it properly frame it smartly, like I would say smartly frame it, and tell that in front of recruiter. At least your work X will be converted to data analyst work X. It will be converted only when you talk smartly to the recruiter. ठीक है, that's the thing, because recruiter needs this thing from an experienced candidate, industry level SQL, uses of SQL. Just say that, that's it. In my work X I used to use this, use that, khatam. recruiter won't know about it. Recruiter will ask you question, and if you answer it properly, yeah, you are using it. Simple. Recruiter won't go to your office and ask your manager like was he really using it. Nobody will ask that. Literally nobody will ask that. They will ask you a question. They will ask you what you used to do. That's it. Simple. You will get selected. So no need to worry about. You are having good quality experience. Whatever experience you are having, you know that. You know it properly. So you can frame it properly. That's what I'm saying. Simple. That's it. So anybody have any doubts in this? Okay, we have one more query from Sudhir. Like, is it required like PL SQL? PL SQL is like it is related to coding kind of thing. Okay. So for data analyst, let me tell you, I have no idea about this thing because one thing I know it is like for coding related work in SQL base you need this PL SQL. Okay. So you don't require PL SQL for this. So just chill. No need to worry about. I mean to say, if you ask me, like 80 to 90% of data analyst don't use this PL SQL kind of thing. So no need to worry about that. No need to worry about that. Shantanu, you have to change the stream delay on your OBS studio. I have changed it, bro. I have already changed this. Let me tell you the stream delay. I have done a lot of things, even though I mean to say our previous means our live stream viewers have already told me to do it. I have done it not only in OBS, also in my YouTube live stream का जो settings I have done changes in that as well, but I don't know why it's not working. So that's the thing. But anyways, I will once I see your query, I will answer it. No worries for that. ओके विश्वजीत सर, मैं फ्रेशर हूँ तो इंडस्ट्रियल लेवल नॉलेज कैसे बढ़ाऊँ? जो कॉर्पोरेट में काम होता है उसको कैसे सीखूँ घर से? देखो, अगर वर्क एक्स नहीं है तो एक ही ऑप्शन है आपका, प्रोजेक्ट। ठीक है, सिंपल। अगर वर्क एक्स नहीं है तो प्रोजेक्ट है। प्रोजेक्ट के दम पे ही आपको आगे बढ़ना पड़ेगा, और स्टार्टअप कंपनीज ही हैं जो आपका हेल्प कर पाएगा भाई विश्वजीत। लेट मी टेल यू, सो स्टार्टअप कंपनीज आर द वन हु कैन help freshers to get a job. And also let me tell you one thing, right now if you go to my YouTube post na, YouTube post section, you will see KPMG, Deloitte, sorry for the spelling mistake, KPMG and Deloitte are also hiring 0 to 3 year, 1 to 2 years का experience in data analyst. ठीक है, I post each and every, like whatever genuine vacancy I get from LinkedIn, or whatever vacancy my friends and my previous colleagues, ठीक है, and my previous colleagues send me in LinkedIn, I just take that and post it. Yeah, it should be genuine. How I get it genuine? Simple, at the rate company domain name .com या .in जो भी रहता है, if it is there, if proper name is there, I post it. ठीक है, if this kind of thing is there कि write interested, write your email, I don't go it. It might be genuine, it might be genuine. I am not saying कि this is not genuine. It might be genuine, but I know it's kind of waste of time, kind of waste of time. But whoever, like whatever post is having this mail ID, like HR name at the rate company dot, HR name मतलब proper HR name, right? Proper HR name at the rate company.com is there, that only I post, and mostly are into freshers point of view. even though for data engineer, for data science, I have posted for freshers. That too, these are for startup companies. So that's the thing. Sudhir, we have PL SQL is required. Okay, I've answered it. Thanks. Okay, I've got. Shantu is live. I am super happy right now. Thank you so much. I was worried because my previous experience go in vain. I was into research analyst, basically lead specialist. No worries for that. Your first thing for that's also a best thing to know. Research analyst, right? Your work domain is your job description is already having analyst, right? So please use SQL, Python and all. ठीक है. Recruiter won't be able to know like what analyst work used to do. Your job description is like your job domain or your job specialization is having analyst, right? Simple, simple, bro. Add it. That's a one more plus thing I would say. First plus thing was workx. Second plus thing was this analyst word. Even though your exit letter will have analyst, right? So add SQL, Python. Khatam baat. Tell I was into analysis part and no need to add this 70%. Directly say 100% of the time I used to extract data from SQL database. I have to just clean it using Python. Sometimes my stakeholder used to send me CSV file. So CSV file I used to import in Python and I have to clean the data. Make stories, bro. You have analyst, na bhai. Are hai yaar, chill. That's a good thing as well. Use it. Use it. Recruiter won't be able to know कि भाई you are using SQL or Python or Excel. Analyst is there, right? You can fake it, bhai. You can fake it. ठीक है. Directly say research analyst. I used to use SQL, Python and all, do cleaning of the data. I have to send the report by extracting data using SQL, then filtering data using SQL, making it into Excel, sending the Excel file to manager. Khatam baat. SQL, everything is covered, bro. Chill, chill. No need to worry about. ठीक है. You are already having this analyst word in you. But let me tell you one thing. No need to be overconfident. No need to be overconfident. Just have patience and be consistent in job applying. That's it. ठीक है. Let me tell you one thing. You might not get job in 1 month, 2 month, 3 month or 4 month. But yeah, you will get it in long run. ठीक है. So no need to be overconfident. It will take time. Just have a positive mindset. You already have two benefit with you. ठीक है. First is workx. Second is this analyst word. ठीक है. If your exit letter will be having this analyst word, check that first. ठीक है. First check that thing. If this will be having analyst word, just make that 90 to 100% of the time you were into SQL and Python. If not having this analyst word, no worries. You can say 70% of the time I was having SQL. ठीक है. Although you are having this benefit, why not to use this? ठीक है. So just have patience, have a positive mindset, read every day, learn every day, practice every day, and we do live stream every day. ठीक है. हाँ, like sometimes what happen due to work pressure, sometimes I don't start this vocal or audio live stream. ठीक है. Due to which I only answer all those queries in live chat. ठीक. Sometimes happens because of the client work, but I am there to help you out. Everybody is there to help you out. ठीक है. So just chill. It will take time and no need to be sad like your team got laid off or you got laid off. Might be a chance like God want to give you something good in near future, maybe. सो जस्ट चिल, ठीक है, सो जस्ट चिल. ओके ओके सर, इंटरव्यू में इंटरव्यूअर पूछता है एक्सपेक्टेड सैलरी क्या है, कितना बोलूँ एज अ फ्रेशर. एज अ फ्रेशर फर्स्ट थिंग फर्स्ट देखो कौन सा कंपनी है. अगर स्टार्टअप कंपनीज है तो 4-5 मैक्सिमम 6 LPA जा सकते हो. स्टार्टअप कंपनीज है तो ये मैक्स है, 4-5 से ज़्यादा ही देगा, ठीक है. अगर MNCs है, फ्रेशर्स हायर कर रहा है तो वही आपका जाएगा 6-7, मे बी 5-6-7 के अंदर रहता है, ठीक. और आई डोंट थिंक फैंग कंपनीज विल हायर, बट इफ स्टिल दे हायर यू एज अ फ्रेशर तो 10-12 LPA जाएगा, ठीक है. और फैंग कंपनीज फ्रेशर्स को मे भी शायद आपको ना पूछे फॉर द सैलरी वाला पार्ट, फैंग कंपनीज. बट हाँ, MNC और स्टार्टअप दे विल आस्क यू, ठीक है. तो स्टार्टअप फ्रेशर 4-5 बोल सकते हो, MNC फ्रेशर 5-6 बोल सकते हो, ठीक है. डोंट डायरेक्टली से नहीं, यू कैन से 7, ऐसा नहीं है, मैं मना नहीं कर रहा हूँ, यू कैन से दैट, बट इतना कॉन्फिडेंट होना चाहिए, ठीक है. दैट्स द मेन थिंग. Okay, we have one more query. My accelerator have data specialist and market research. No worries, yaar. No worries. Research require analysis, right? Simple. Research require analysis. So go with it. Anyhow, connect it. Just whatever word you get, whatever thing you have in your hand, just connect it. Make sure you would be able to connect it. That's it. Because anyhow research require analysis, you can easily say for the analysis part, for the research purpose we have to do analysis. Tables were there in database, this data set for analysis purpose. I used to join the table using SQL. I used to extract data from here there, that's it. Anyhow research require analysis, bro, that's the thing. And wherever this analysis topic comes into your mind, use it. You have the opportunity, workex hai, everything is there, so chill, just chill. But main thing is just be consistent in practice, ठीक है. Be consistent in your practice, because if you say this industry standard knowledge of SQL and Python, they will ask you questions which could be little bit tough than the freshers one, ठीक है. So make sure you are having that much kind of knowledge, ठीक है, ठीक. Because with every good thing, positive thing, some bad things comes in that, ठीक है. So positive thing is you are having workex and this research specialist name, so that is the positive thing. What negative thing you might get, good quality question, ठीक है, but that's not negative. It always depends on how you practice, how much knowledge you have. That's the main thing. The good quality knowledge you have, you can make the negative to positive easily. So just chill. ओके, वी हैव वन मोर क्वेरी. सर ज़्यादा सैलरी एक्सपेक्टेड सैलरी बोल दिया तो सिलेक्ट होने के चांसेस कम हो जाते हैं क्या? ऐसा नहीं है, ऐसा नहीं है, चांसेस कम नहीं होते. वो लोग भी अपना रेंज बोलते हैं. सपोज मैं अगर बोल देता हूँ 7 LPA, ठीक है, दे विल से कि देखो हम लोग का बजट 5.5 है, दे विल से दैट, ठीक है. क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली देखो, ऑब्वियसली सबको पता नहीं रहता ना कितना रहता है. हम लोग अपने स्टैंडर्ड के हिसाब से 7 बोल दिए, बट स्टिल अगर इनका बजट 5 से 5.5 हुआ तो वो लोग भी आपको एड्रेस करेंगे, ये देखो हमारा ये सैलरी है, अगर आपको इसमें आना है तो यू कैन ज्वाइन अस, दैट्स इट. वो पूछेंगे आपसे, ऐसा नहीं है कि डायरेक्टली कोई मना नहीं करता है. वो लोग भी अपना मतलब बोलते हैं, क्या बोलते हैं, वो लोग भी अपना रिक्वायरमेंट्स रखेंगे, आप भी अपना रिक्वायरमेंट्स रखोगे. अगर प्रॉपरली नेगोशिएट हो जाता है और गुड टू गो, ठीक, ऐसा नहीं है कि सिलेक्ट नहीं करते, डायरेक्टली बोलना मेरा 7 LPA एक्सपेक्टेशन है, व्हाट इज योर बजट। बजट मत बोलना, व्हाट्स योर सैलरी रेंज करके, दैट यू आर गिविंग टू मी, ठीक है, आस्क देम, ठीक है। इफ इट इज ओके फॉर मी देन या आई एम गुड टू गो, तो ऑब्वियसली वो लोग बोलेगा कि हाँ हम लोग का सैलरी रेंज 5.5 है या 6 है, इस टाइप से वो लोग पूछे बोलेगा। आपको पूछना पड़ेगा, आप पूछ लेना डायरेक्टली बोलना कि आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग दिस मच, बट या स्टिल आई एम इंटरेस्टेड टू नो अबाउट द सैलरी रेंज यू आर presenting to me. If each and everything aligns, not properly, but still if each and everything align in some or the other way, I am good to go, ऐसे बोल पूछना पड़ेगा आपको, ठीक है। आस्क देम, उनको भी अपॉर्चुनिटी दो, जैसा उन्होंने पूछा आप भी पूछो, बट अच्छे तरीके से, इस तरीके से, ठीक है। दैट्स द थिंग, राइट। Okay, we have one more query. I sent you mail yesterday. Yeah, bhai, I have mail. I have total kitna 16 17 mails till date. I have 3 mails right now from you all, Yash, Parikshit, and Kriti. I have mails. No worry for that. I will reply. Just give me some time. ठीक है. Let me tell you one thing. Maximum. If I am not able to mail you by Friday, maximum then by Saturday Sunday I will mail you, because Saturday Sunday I get some free time, ठीक है। That's the thing, मतलब not full free time, but yeah, still I get free time to read your mail and reply to it, ठीक। I will reply it, it's not like yeah I won't reply, I will reply it, so just chill, ठीक है। I have your mail and I will clear it out, no need to worry about, ठीक, just chill। Okay, it's 11 o'clock. Oh my god. Oh. Oh. Okay, it's 11 o'clock. So I'm closing this live stream right now. Tomorrow, uh, I will start my live stream. We do live stream every day, so tomorrow also I will start my live stream. Please do join into my live stream and ask me doubts. ठीक है, and today live stream was good quality doubts. New people, welcome to my YouTube channel, really welcome. And Shantu, thank you for the membership, thank you for that. So today's live stream was good quality question, geography questions, by the way. First time I'm doing like this kind of question where geography is required, but anyways it was a good experience, right? So please bring questions, we will solve it here, ठीक है, we will solve it here, everyone will solve it here, each and every one will create logic, we will discuss it here, ठीक है। So practice more, because the more you practice the more doubts you get, so that's the thing, ठीक है। ओके, वी हैव वन मोर क्वेरी। सर ये जो रेज्यूमे में प्रोजेक्ट बनाकर डालते हैं, तो ये यूट्यूब पर देखकर प्रोजेक्ट बना सकते हैं क्या? और वही रेज्यूमे, हाँ देखो प्रोजेक्ट, फर्स्ट थिंग फर्स्ट, एक चीज़ पूछो, एक चीज़ बोल रहा हूँ टू एवरीवन इन द लाइव स्ट्रीम, कि जो भी प्रोजेक्ट आप लेते हो, सिंपल, एनी प्रोजेक्ट्स यू टेक, एनी प्रोजेक्ट्स, एनीथिंग, वो इंटरनेट पे रहेगा, सिंपल सा बात है, ठीक है। इट विल बी इन इंटरनेट। अब इंटरनेट में किस तरीके से रहेगा, या तो यूट्यूब पे रहेगा, या तो लिंक्डइन पे रहेगा, या तो रेडिट पे कोई पोस्ट करेगा, या तो कोई अपने डिस्कॉर्ड चैनल पे पोस्ट करेगा, एनी हाउ, या तो गूगल में रहेगा, डायरेक्टली इंटरनेट पे रहेगा, ठीक है। इफ समथिंग इज देयर इन द इंटरनेट, सबके पास एक्सेस है इंटरनेट का, एंड एवरीबडी कैन डू दैट प्रोजेक्ट, main thing is how to be different from that group. ठीक है, if someone is doing project 1 and you are also doing project 1, how to be different from this group? Simple. If that project is having 10 requirements, suppose project 1 is having 10 requirements, and example I am saying 10 people around the world, example small number I am taking, 10 people around the world have done project 1, and each and every 10 people who have done project 1 have done the same 10 requirements. ठीक है, so obviously their CV will have those keywords, those things which will revolve around this 10 requirements. You are also there in this. ठीक है, 10 people. So how to stay ahead from them? How to stay ahead from them? Simple. From the 10 requirements, add more 5 to 10 requirements from your own side. ठीक है, it will be your own thinking. ठीक है, आपका खुद का थिंकिंग रहेगा. ये 10 रिक्वायरमेंट्स तो आपको रखना ही है. ठीक है, उसके साथ आपको अलग से अपने दिमाग से 5 से 10 रिक्वायरमेंट ऐड करना है. आई मीन टू से फ्रॉम योर ओन थिंकिंग, from your own logic, from your own understanding what? Business understanding or project understanding. You have to create more 5 to 10 requirements and add it. In this way, what will happen? Their CV will have keywords and lines and what we say description about the project, which will be revolving around this 10 requirements. What your CV will have? 10 requirements, which is obviously there, plus 10 additional requirement from your own side. 20 requirements will be there from there. So obviously 20 requirements is greater than 10 requirements. Plus, what are the benefits you will get? Business understanding, or I would say project understanding, meaning कि if you study the project and also study the business requirements in that project, you will be able to know the A to Z, or I would say the in out of the project, problem statement or business. Once you know the in and out and story, or I would say everything about the business, you can take your interview in your own way. ठीक है, you can take your interview in your own way because you know where to get in, where to get out, where is the secret hideout. Example I am saying, if you know each and everything, you know how to survive the scenario. That's what I am saying, that's the benefit. Business project understanding, ठीक है, then also query understanding, means obviously whatever requirements you will find out from your own side, you have to write query from your own side, you will do research from your own side, you will do mistakes from your own side. From that mistake you will learn कि अच्छा नहीं. Suppose today like we done the question of Parikshit, we came to know कि चलो descending में this is not the solution, so ascending में is the solution. In this way we did mistake, we learn from that. Although we done the hit and trial method, but we learn from that ना कि चलो ईस्ट में it is like positive longitude, west में it is negative longitude. ठीक है, like this way we found out from the mistakes. So these are the two benefits you will get, and once you know A to Z or in and out of the project or business, what do we say, the business plan or the problem statement, you can easily handle the interview from your own side. ठीक है, otherwise what will happen, recruiter will handle the interview from his own side, he will ask question from his own mind and you won't be having answer of all those things, then there will be an issue. But if you already know about the project, then recruiter will ask you anything from that project, you will have an answer for that. Still, if you want, still, like if you don't have any answer for the question that recruiter has asked you, you can easily make the answer from your own brain. You can fake it. You can say ki acha, we can do this, we can do that, because you know the business properly, you know the business and problem statement properly than anyone else who is using that project. Okay, so this is how you do it, how you handle interviews, how you handle interviews with the help of project queries and all. Okay, right? So Parikshit, okay, bye, good night. Chalo, good night, bye. Why underscore is there? Matlab, the good thing. First time I'm seeing like this. We used to write this in SQL. Everyone used to write this, the column name using underscore. Okay. So first time I'm seeing good night with the underscore. That's a good thing. So there, good night for all. Yeah, good night. And thank you for joining. Okay, we have one more query from Shantu. It was a good live session. Thank you for giving your valuable time. Welcome, bhai, welcome. And thanks to you all for joining the live stream. Thank you for that. And thanks to Shantu for taking the membership as well. So thanks to you all, by the way. Thank you for joining my live stream, because your question, your doubts made the live stream value made the live stream valuable and interesting. Okay, so thanks to you all from my side. Thank you for that. So tomorrow we will meet again in the new live stream. Till then, bye bye, take care, happy coding, happy learning, happy querying, and good night. Let me write good night. Good night everyone. ठीक है, let's meet tomorrow again. And I will give this notes का link in my YouTube post, so just go through it. ठीक है, and still any doubt we can cover it up tomorrow. And also my mail ID is there, each and everything is there in the description box, so you can go and check that out. ठीक है, तो चलो बाय बाय, let me close the live stream right now. ठीक है, and let's meet tomorrow again in a new live stream.